Hi everyone, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1959 Buick Electra. This is a very nice car that's made in a 1/18 scale by Yatming, and it's a good quality model. It's a cheap model, it's a budget model, but it really delivers a pretty good quality for what you pay for it. So let's take a look at it. One thing I like about this 1959 Buick is the way this front looks. Is very aggressive and also very elegant. I really like those sloped headlights, the dual headlights, the way they've made, and I really think they look awesome. I like this hood ornament, the way this hood looks. I like the way these air intakes look with a contour of a hood right here, and as we pop the hood open we can see it opens with a contour just like that. And as we look at the engine, we can see the very nice V8 with the air filter, the exhaust manifold, the battery, the radiator. I don't know why the radiator was made in white. I think it's a little bit weird, but anyway, it's okay. And the engine bay looks pretty realistic. It doesn't look that realistic just like the Highway 61 ones, but it looks good. I really like this car, just the way it looks. The hood opens and closes correctly, so this is very nice. Since it's an open convertible, we can see the interior with many more details than we can see in the hardtop closed cars. And the seats that tilt, the dashboard, the steering wheel. I really like those big steering wheel with the rim, the horn rim right here, the chrome rim, the gauges. And as we open the passenger door, which opens and closes correctly, we can see the door panels and all those details are supposed to be in the interior. So this car, it's really fantastic. Door handle is a separate piece. The trims are actually separate pieces and very well aligned indeed. I really like this trim right here. It's very elegant. Wheels and tires look fantastic with those white wall tires. The rear bumper and the tail lights really look nice. By the way, I think it's the same rear of 1960. Just 1960 doesn't have the sloped headlights, but the horizontal headlights. It's a very nice car. The trunk lid is fixed. Yatming doesn't make cars with opening trunks. It's very rare to find 1/18 cars made by Yatming with the opening trunks. Open the driver's door and take a look at the paddles. It's got an automatic transmission, 3-in-3 actually. Driver's door also opens and closes correctly. There's a little bit wide gap here, but there's no big deal really, especially if we consider it as a cheaper model. Buick emblem, it's Electra 225. It's painted on, so it's not very clear, especially because of the color, but it really looks good. And we can find Buick written here in the back, right near the right tail light, right side. And the bottom of the car, as we take a look, it's a body and chassis, so we can see the frame and the bottom of the car, the floor, which is made in one single piece of plastic, all cast on, but with different shines and textures. So it's a flat black for the floor and sort of satin to gloss black to the frame, for the frame. So it's okay. The tires are pretty well made, and the mufflers are made in chrome instead of made in silver. Being made in silver, it's okay. Gas tank, the axles, the rear and front, which are fixed, and a steering system, which is quite simple but working. The engine and tranny, the drive shaft is fixed. So it's, I would say it's an honest car. It's a pretty good car you get for your money. And I would really advise for a collection of American classics from the 1950s. So from 0 to 10, I would give this car an 8, considering it's got some improvements to be made, and it's a good car. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your comments and likes below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.